Shark
Fins
fins
up.
up.
Hello, Hungry Sharks. Did you recognize the opening music?
That piece.
That piece is called the William Tell Overture, and it was written by the great Italian composer Gioacchino Rossini, whose birthday happens to be on February 29th. I'm Ernest, along with
Christina
Taylor.
and Bella.
It's Friday, February 28th, AB, as the month of February, and we all need to be aware of the impact that African Americans have on our culture, and we should celebrate that culture all year. We should embrace the traditions and heritage of those we come in contact with throughout our lives.
Tomorrow is February 29th. That's right, this year is a leap year, and it's an exciting time. Leap years always coincide with the Summer Olympics Games and the U.S. presidential election. There's so much going on this year, we could really use this extra day.
Julius Caesar was behind the origin of the leap year in 45 BC. The early Romans had a 355-day calendar, and to keep festivals occurring around the same season each year, a 22nd or 23rd day month was created every second year. Julius Caesar decided to simplify things and added dates to different months of the year to create the 365-day calendar. The actual calculations were made in 1958. Pope Gregory the 13th replaced the Julian calendar with the more refined Gregorian one, which introduced the modern schedule of leap day, which would occur in any year divisible by 4.
Here's an explanation for why we have leap years.
Ahoy! Let's think. Today we answer the question, what is a leap year? In a standard year there are 365 days, but typically every 4 years something different happens and we have another day added. A leap year is when we have 366 days rather than 365. This additional day is added into the shortest month of the year, which is February. This gives the month 29 days instead of its usual 28. Thus, February 29 is aptly named Leap Day. Can you imagine being born on Leap Day and only celebrating your birthday every 4 years? Most people think that leap years occur every 4 years, but there is actually 3 criteria that the year needs to fulfill to have the honour of being called a leap year. The year first must be divisible by 4. If the year is divisible by 100, then it cannot be a leap year. An exception to this rule is if the year is divisible by 400. A very special leap year was 2000, as it was one of the first instances of a year not only being divisible by 100 but also by 400. But why exactly do we have leap years? To answer that question, we can just look up at the sky. A year is how long it takes for the Earth to revolve around the Sun. Approximately it takes 365.24 days to complete orbit. And unfortunately we can't have part of a day. To account for this extra time, the leap year was created. If it wasn't for the leap year, we would be losing about 6 hours every year. It might not seem like a lot now, but in 100 years our calendar would be off by about 24 days. It may be one day every 4 years, but it sure does help to keep our calendars in line. So that answers what is a leap year. That took some thinking.
And now, please listen to our daily announcements. This weekend's weather, the cold and brisk pattern continues with more clouds than sun, high 43 degrees. For lunch, breaded fish fillet on whole wheat raw, Gordon salad with ranch dressing over baked beans, and today's fruit pears along with your original healthy milk.
And happy birthday to Richard Wanderer, 8th grade math teacher Mr. Sock, who celebrates their birthdays today and over the weekend. And happy belated birthday to Mr. McCabe, who celebrates his birthday yesterday.
Also, happy birthday to technology coach Mr. Allen, Italian composer Gioacchino Rossini, and rapper Jarul, who will celebrate their birthdays on the actual day they were born, February 29th. Let's hear that birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Will you bring us out and make your wishes come true? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Shark fins up. closed today. I repeat, the library is closed today.
And now for today's announcements in sports and after-school activities.
Friday, Future Owls Club, Bear Creek trip after school, 7th grade boys basketball at book questing. And now, here is Taylor and Bella.
Do you love movies? The 21st Century Leadership Committee is pleased to announce the Glory Road free weekly film series. Stay tuned to hear the next movie.
Attention students, PSSAs will be here soon. Here are the dates the PSSAs will be administered. ELA, April 21st, 22nd, and 23rd.
Math, April 29th and 30th.
Science, May 5th and 6th. Algebra 1 students will be taking the Keystones on May 13th and 14th.
It's that time again. The Sharky 200 board is halfway full. Did you follow the Sharks Creed and earn a Sharky today? At the end of the announcements, place your Sharky on the 200 board. Keep the bottom portion of your Sharky. 10 Sharkies equals your t-shirt.
Before we go, we would like to wish everyone who is going on a ski trip this afternoon a fun time. Thank you, Mrs. Golombek, for making it possible.
That concludes the show for today. Enjoy this extra day in February. Make this day an awesome one.
Keep it classy, stay beautiful.